Shabbat Shalom. I'm Cantor Neil Michaels, and what a thrill and privilege it is to be here on behalf of Cantor Pearsall's adoring Temple Israel clergy and so many of her devoted fans from Michigan, celebrating Shabbat with the Central Synagogue community in this breathtaking, awe-inspiring, and holy space. I'm deeply grateful to Rabbi Bukdal, Cantor Mutlu, and most especially Cantor Pearsall for the opportunity to lend my voice to this special installation evening. When it comes to Cantor Pearsall, I think the famous Yiddish author I.L. Peretz expressed it best. The whole world is nothing more than singing and dancing before the Holy One of Blessing. Every Jew is a singer before God, and every letter in the Torah a musical note. Considering this statement, it is a question of how we approach life, both moments of adversity and encounters of joy. What is our emotional stance as we face life down? For Peretz and for Cantor Pearsall, we are to engage with an openness of heart, a generosity of spirit, and a healthy appreciation for the wonders all around us. Jenna, when I first heard your ethereal voice, I felt the presence of the divine. I have witnessed with admiration you blossom into the inspiring Cantor and human that you have become. Your joy, wonder, charm, and honest and sincere delight in others is a blessing to all who know you. You know what it means to pray from your soul, but also what it means to be Klei Kodesh, a holy vessel, and that a Cantor's commitment to their community is a sacred obligation. Jenna, when we are in your presence, we cannot help but feel the desire to sing and dance. You manifest the qualities of chesed in everything you say and do, and I know you will bring your unique blend of talent, energy, and dedication to this, your new spiritual home. May your voice and humility, your goodness and gratitude continue to open the eyes of all to the loveliness of the world, our ears to the symphony of life around us, and our mouths to songs of praise. Mazal Tov. While we were growing up at Temple Israel in Michigan, we were always excited to have Cantor Pearsall on the bima sharing her voice and neshama with our congregation. This setting of Vishamru that we introduced back then holds a special place in our hearts. We share it now as we remember the holiness of Sabbaths past and present. V'shameru b'nei Yisrael et ha-Shabbat la'asot et ha-Shabbat l'dorotam berit olam.
Shet yami
Adonai et hashamayim et haaretz uvayom vayom hashvi Shabbat vayinafash Beni uven b'nei Yisrael
את השם